How long can I keep a subcontractor on for? This is probably the most common question I get asked on a day-to-day basis. So what would your answer be? A year? Maybe 6 months? Well, the correct answer is, well, nobody knows the answer because there isn't really a correct answer. It's the relationship between yourself and the subcontractor that determines how long you can have them self-employed for in the eyes of HMRC. So, how do you demonstrate a self-employed relationship? Under current legislation, there isn't a legal definition of self-employed. What there are, however, are 3 tests which, if all conditions are satisfied, show a master-servant relationship, employed and not self-employed. So these are, number 1, personal service. So do you personally require the subcontractor to complete the works? Or is it just their skills of the trade that you need? Now, a way to be able to demonstrate this would be, if a subcontractor can't get into work, are they able to send somebody in their place who's suitably qualified and the same skills and experience? Now, if you answer yes to this, they can send a substitute. HMRC won't then ask, well, has this actually ever happened? And they may also ask, who paid the substitute? Was it you or was it the subcontractor? If it was you, then it was just additional labour, not a substitute. Number 2, mutuality of obligation. Are you or do you feel obliged to give the subcontractors work? And are they or do they feel obliged to accept it? Now, an easy way to demonstrate this would be, if they wanted to go on holiday tomorrow or work for somebody else, could they? Or would you make them work their notice? And then finally, the 3rd test is number 3, control. Are the subcontractors told what to do and when to do it? Or can they be left to their own devices? Do they tender or quote for any of the works that are being completed, or is there a day rate or an hourly rate agreed from the outset? Now, what you need to remember is all of these have to be present for the relationship to be viewed as an employment relationship. However, please just don't rely on using mutuality of obligation as a defence against employment, as this is the test which is the weakest of the 3. So you can now see that the real answer to the question, how long can I keep a subcontractor on for, is this. It depends on how the relationship is perceived and not necessarily how long you've had them on for. I'm Lewer and this is HardHats, keeping construction self-employed.